You search for affordable bookkeeping and find a service starting at $99 per month. It looks perfect, but then you discover that cleanup costs extra. Tax preparation is separate. Payroll is not included. Accounts payable requires another package, and accrual accounting increases the price again. The cheapest advertised plan can quickly become an expensive mistake. So, which bookkeeping and accounting services actually offer good value for a US startup? Let's rank 7 options and explain who each one is really built for. This comparison considers starting price, flexibility, accounting software compatibility, startup fit, scalability, and access to human support. The ranking is not based only on the lowest advertised price. A basic service may cost less, but provide fewer accounting functions. Prices and packages can change, so always confirm the current price and request a written scope before signing. At number 7 is inDinero. inDinero positions itself as more than a basic bookkeeping provider. Its services may include bookkeeping, accounting, tax, support, financial reporting, and CFO-level assistance. That makes it more suitable for funded startups or growing companies that want multiple finance functions from one provider. Pricing is generally customized according to the company's requirements. That means founders may not know the final cost without a consultation. For a very small startup with simple cash-basis books, inDinero may provide more service than the business currently needs. But for a company approaching a funding round, the wider service range may justify the cost. At number 6 is Pilot. Pilot is designed around startups and growth-oriented companies. It combines software with human bookkeeping support and can handle cash-basis or accrual-basis accounting. Its wider services can include bookkeeping, tax, research and development tax credit support, fractional CFO services, and startup financial operations. Published pricing has included entry-level bookkeeping options starting around $199 per month, with more advanced services costing more according to expenses and complexity. Pilot may be a strong fit when founders need investor-ready reporting, accrual accounting, or a service that can scale with the company. However, businesses should check whether tax preparation, CFO support, and catch-up bookkeeping are included or separately priced. At number 5 is Bookkeeper 360. Bookkeeper 360 offers bookkeeping, tax, payroll, fractional CFO, and back-office support. It works with businesses using QuickBooks and Xero and provides financial dashboards and reporting tools. Its published monthly bookkeeping prices start around $399. Weekly bookkeeping starts at a higher price, while onboarding and prior period cleanup may begin at approximately $1,000 per project. This can be a good option for a growing business that wants bookkeeping plus access to payroll, tax, or CFO services under the same provider. The important question is which functions are included in the base monthly fee and which require additional packages. At number 4 is Merritt Bookkeeping. Its strongest feature is pricing simplicity. Merritt publishes a flat fee of $250 per month without multiple pricing tiers, long-term contracts, or hidden plan levels. This can appeal to a small business that wants straightforward monthly bookkeeping and predictable costs. But simplicity also means business owners must carefully examine the service boundaries. A company needing payroll management, invoicing, bill payments, inventory accounting, complex accruals, tax filing, or detailed management reporting may require additional providers or a more comprehensive solution. At number 3 is Bench. Bench combines its own bookkeeping platform with a dedicated bookkeeping team. Its published Grow plan starts around $199 per month. Its core bookkeeping plan starts around $399, while bookkeeping combined with income tax services starts around $599 per month. The service can include monthly books, year-end tax-ready financial packages, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and 1099 reporting. Bench may suit owners who want a structured, hands-off bookkeeping experience. However, founders should understand the accounting platform, integration options, and the process for transferring records if they later move to another provider. At number 2 is Wave Advisors. Wave is known for accessible accounting, invoicing, and payment tools for small businesses. Wave Advisors adds human bookkeeping support inside the Wave ecosystem. Published bookkeeping offers start at approximately $149 per month, although actual prices can depend on transaction volume and billing terms. The service may include a dedicated bookkeeper, transaction categorization, account reconciliation, and monthly financial statements. Wave Advisors may be especially attractive to freelancers, consultants, and small service businesses already using Wave. However, a startup expecting complex inventory, advanced reporting, multiple entities, or extensive integrations should confirm whether the Wave environment will support its future requirements. At number 1 in this OBG Outsourcing editorial comparison is OBG Outsourcing. Unlike services that require every client to operate inside one proprietary system, OBG Outsourcing provides flexible bookkeeping and accounting support across widely used platforms, including QuickBooks, Xero, Zoho Books, and Wave. Services can be tailored according to the startup's transaction volume, accounting method, number of accounts, and reporting requirements. Pricing is customized rather than based on a single public package. That gives startups the opportunity to request only the services they need, but it also means the business should obtain a written quote before comparing OBG Outsourcing with fixed-price competitors. Because OBG Outsourcing is producing this comparison, founders should independently compare its proposal, references, security procedures, and service scope with other shortlisted providers. The lowest price does not automatically create the best value. A simple service business may prioritize a low fixed fee. A funded startup may need accrual accounting and investor reporting. An e-commerce company may require inventory, merchant, and sales platform reconciliation. Compare providers using your actual accounting requirements, not only the number displayed on the pricing page. Before hiring any bookkeeping provider, ask these 7 questions. 1. Is cleanup or catch-up work included? 2. Does the monthly fee cover every bank account, credit card, and payment platform? 3. Will the books be maintained on a cash or accrual basis? 4. Are payroll, sales tax, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and inventory included? 5. Will you receive a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and reconciliation reports every month? 6. Who owns the accounting data and can you transfer it easily? 7. Does the provider support tax preparation or coordinate directly with your CPA? Get every answer in writing. A clear scope is more valuable than an attractive starting price. The final cost of bookkeeping and accounting services usually depends on several factors: transaction volume, number of financial accounts, cleanup requirements, payroll, inventory, accounts payable and receivable, sales tax, accrual accounting, multiple entities, industry complexity, reporting frequency, and tax support. Before requesting quotes, prepare the same information for every provider. That is the only way to make a fair comparison. The right bookkeeping service should not only categorize transactions, it should give you accurate financial reports, dependable reconciliations, and confidence when making decisions. If your startup needs affordable bookkeeping with a customized scope, contact OBG Outsourcing for a bookkeeping assessment and written proposal. Subscribe for more practical accounting, tax, and startup finance guidance, and share this video with a business owner who is still managing the books alone. One final note: prices and service details were reviewed in August 2026 and may change. Confirm current pricing, eligibility, and scope directly with each provider. This comparison provides general information and does not constitute accounting, tax, or financial advice. Thanks for watching.